Now why I am showing you this balance sheet again and again, just to show you that what a double entry accounting system is. That is, if one account is debited, another account has to be credited. Hence, it provides us a dual aspect of correct entries, and if there is a defect in one side, there will find a defect from the another side, and that is how a balance sheet is always balanced. And this right here is our capital, this is the liability, this is the asset, hence creating our accounting equation, that is C plus L equal to A. Okay. Sold goods to Mr. Y on credit. Okay. So two accounts that are Mr. Y and sales account. Now sales account will automatically bring in the goods account when we open tally. So the entry for this will be sales account debit to Mr. Y. Mr. Y. Okay, so am I right? No, I'm wrong. This should not be the entry. Let's open the cheat sheet and let us follow the step 1. Sold goods. Goods is the first, or sales is the first account. Second is Y is the second account. Okay, so the goods is a real account, the personal account. Third step is, as in for real account goes, purchase sold goods to Mr. Y. Goods went out, debit what comes in, credit what goes out. Hence, goods should be credited and Y debit the receiver. Mr. Y is the receiver, so we will debit him. Okay, so the correct entry is Y to sales. This will always be the correct entry for any sales account, but let's try this in tally right now. Okay, so let's go to vouchers. I can press F8, or I can choose this tab right here of sales, this tab right here of sales. So I'll press F8 for easiness. It has automatically shown this is the sale number 2, reference number is 02, party account name. As we don't have the party, that is Mr. Y, so we will create that ledger, alt plus C. Directly from here you can create that ledger from that basic step, but we are not going to go into that because this is much more easier and fast. Alt C, Mr. Y. Mr. Y is our debtor, so we can name it as sundry debtor. Address of Mr. Y, no, accept. Okay, so it has taken the entry right here, as you can see, Mr. Y, and it asks us further more questions, that is delivery note, dispatch document number. So if you want to create a real invoice, you can always check out an invoice and check all these details in that invoice. State of Mr. Y, state of where it will be delivered, sales ledger, yes, sales ledger, and name of the item that we sold Mr. Y. So let's go to item we sold to Mr. Y is microphone, and of how much rupees did we sell? Rupees 2000. Okay, so sold goods to Mr. Y. As Mr. Y has still not paid us, hence he will be our asset, that is in future he is going to pay us. You can see right here, current asset column, sundry debtors, Mr. Y. So Mr. Y is a current asset because we expect Mr. Y to pay in the forthcoming 12 months. hopefully, and fixed asset, that is okay. And the second effect that came in is stock of microphone is minus 4,500. If you'll open it, it will show you right here 2,500 sale of cash, and Mr. Y we have sold rupees 2,000 worth of microphone. Okay, now I want you to stop learning with me and you should carry on your own. We have done till full goods to Mr. Y, sixth one, and there are more questions right here, that is till 15th. So, and there are solutions right here. It says, like, let's check this out. Received cash from Mr. Y on account. Okay, rupees 2,000. Okay, so Mr. Y was due rupees 3,000. Mr. Y has paid rupees 2,000. Now let's check out Mr. Y. Where are you? Here, right. So this will be a receipt account. We'll choose F6 for receipt. When you enter tally, you will see. And we have received cash. Whom did we receive it from? We have received it from Mr. Y, and it will automatically transfer cash to our account, and Y account will reduce by rupees 2,000.